Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and welcome to my talk or daily thought. So, hindi ko po ito palagi nagagawa, but sometimes pag medyo sinisipag tayo ginagawa natin, it's around, time check po tayo, it's around 3:59 and gising po ako 1 a.m. pa. So, 3 hours pa lang po yung tulog ko. Why? Because nagigising po ako. Siguro, hindi ko alam kung insomnia, pero this is usually my episodes of hot flashes kasi nga nagkakaroon ako ng pre-menopausal na po. I'm 47 and talagang grabe po yung hot flashes. So, this is one of my struggle na pinagdadaanan. But, I am trying to sleep pero hindi talaga ako makatulog. Hindi na ako mapakali. So, nagpapawis ako, pinulbusan na ako ng asawa ko. So, usually nagpapakalma sa akin is powder. Pag napulbusan na ako, syempre nawawala na yung pagiging uh, pawisin ko kasi sobrang basa ako ng pawis. Nagigising ako, basang-basa ako ng pawis. And, ayun, wala na, okay na. Dinagdagan na yung AC para super lamig na. So, I'm okay na. Pero hindi pa rin ako makatulog. So, nag-edit na ako ng konting mga videos, nag-post, and ngayon gusto kong gumawa ng resibo sa paupahan sa San Carlos kasi may utang pa ako na resibo sa isang tenant namin. And ayun, advice ko sa mga maging productive yung time maski na medyo hindi okay yung pakiramdam, kaysa mag-cellphone ako na mag-cellphone. Although nakapag-scan na ako, nakapag-reply na ako sa mga hindi ko nare-replyan. May pasensya na po pag hindi po ako nakakapag-reply agad, nakakapagbasa. Kasi nga, busy rin tayo, no? So, yun, nagbibigay ako ng time para mag-check ng inbox ko, email, yan. So, yun yung mga ginagawa ko dito sa aking workstation. So, pasensya na at study light lang yung ginagamit ko kasi tulog ang husband ko. So, para makapagpahinga din siya. Kasi maaga kami ngayon. It's January 5 or January 5th, 2026 na. Ayan nga po, it's 4:01 a.m. na. Good morning everyone. And yes, just for sharing nga po, I just want to share my favorite verse in the Bible. And this was actually Pastor June's preaching yesterday, Sunday, sa church. It is the Psalm 23. So, Book of Psalms, chapter 23. Konting devotion lang. Okay, I will read to you. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not be in want. He restores my soul. He guides me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. So, very shorten lang yung aking babasahin. So, why is this my favorite? Because from the verse itself, the Lord is my shepherd. Parang, I shall not be in want. So, si Lord lang ang pinagkakatiwalaan ko. Siya lang magpo-provide lahat. Siya lang magpo-provide, magpo-protect. Siya lang ang aking shelter. And just an overview, Psalm 23 prayer uses the themes of David's famous psalm. So God as a guiding or a guide, providing shepherd to express trust, as for provision. So great pastures, still waters, seek restoration and guidance. Right path, comfort in darkness, and a firm faith in God's goodness and eternal presence. So, Psalm 23 is a summary or a promise or a song of protection, provision, and peace in daily life, especially during challenges. So, every time na nafe-feel ko or every time na ma-feel natin na medyo nanghihina tayo, may mga problema dumarating, hindi yan mawawala pag nararamdaman natin na may mga karamdaman, may mga difficulties financially, spiritually, physically. Let's try to remember God's promises, and let's try to check this verse in book Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He restores my soul. So, keep the God's promise na He will restores us, 'di ba? So, ayun lang. So, today is actually Monday. It's work day. I have planned to go to Bridgetown sana para ayusin ang aking employment, but I don't think I can go because I'm still awake and I had just 3 hours of sleep, so hindi yun enough. Baka sumama lang lalo pakiramdam ko. So maybe I'll try tomorrow again. Sana makapunta na tayo. And yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you again sa mga followers natin. And thank you for giving a few minutes of your time to watch my video. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone. God bless.